So instead of coming to a point like a football, it can kind of look, or almost like a dinner roll, maybe. And so then I'll make my eye kind of try to come towards that point. And then I'll draw kind of little triangles at this side too, but I kind of try to make them facing down a little bit. Then we're going to do our mouth. And so we'll go all the way down to the edge over here. And then right under his eyes, that's where he has those little fangs facing out. We draw the mouth open, and then we'll draw some teeth on the inside. And then you can do 3 teeth for the bottom or 4 teeth. And so then he kind of looks like he's surprised. There's a light blue area in between. So we'll draw a curved line, and then we'll connect it over here on the side of the corner. So do like a big kind of like eyebrow over there. And then this dot connects to the corner of the eye over here. And then kind of where these dots are, that's where I'll draw my other stripes. So 1 stripe over there. And then for the pupils, I'm going to draw it just a little bit off from the middle. So now let's get our black marker and draw all that in. And now if you wanted to, you can erase some of your pencil lines, and then I'll color these guys in and draw a circle, like a thin second circle over there. Add some lines to kind of fade it. Light blue marker, and color in my areas for the eyes so I don't forget these. And then basically everything else we can do with our dark blue. All right, so that is our fancy new kitty cat. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.